Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about language of contrast. This is part 4 and as you know, this is advanced English grammar course, and in this course I have covered more than 27 common and important topics, and nowadays we are at this one, how to show contrast. So open the playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. This is my Facebook ID. You can send me a message, ask a question, and I will help you. Subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe to get more free videos, and press a bell icon to get more free videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. As we were talking about while and whereas in other video, there is another example. I like living in the city, while or whereas my parents prefer the countryside. While or whereas my parents prefer the countryside, I like living in the city. Most of the times we don't use comma in this context when while and whereas is used in the center of sentence. Some authors use this, but most of them don't use, so it's better to skip this comma. And when while and whereas are used at the start of sentence, we mostly don't use whereas at the start. We commonly use while at the start. When while is at the start of the sentence, we use comma to separate two clauses. When a sentence starts with any of these words, it is preferred to start with while instead of whereas. When we use with the time clause, we only use while, not whereas. With time clause, we only use while, not whereas. While I was recording my grammar course videos, my patient was waiting for a checkup. While, so as we are referring to time phrase, time clause, so we will only use while, we can't use here whereas. While I was recording, say this is one other use of while. On the one hand, on the other hand, these are two used to show contrast between two different things or ideas. We often use them in essays to represent balanced arguments on both sides. We often use them in essays to present balanced arguments on both sides. Example: on the one hand, the internet is useful for online and free learning. On the other hand, many people waste their time watching movies or funny clips. So these are two opposite ideas. We can combine them, we can join them with on the one hand, on the other hand. Usually we use them on the one hand, or on the other hand we use them to show contrast or opposite relationship or body paragraphs of essays. Some people say that we can only use on the one hand at the start of second sentence if we already have on the one hand. On the other hand, we use on the other hand with the second paragraph if we already have on the one hand at the start of first body paragraph. Some people say this, but we can use on the other hand at the start of second paragraph even without using on the one hand at the start of first body paragraph. Next word is in contrast or by contrast. In contrast or by contrast. These expressions are used to show contrast between two clauses. Between two clauses. By using these words, we can show a stronger contrast than in comparison or by comparison. In comparison or by comparison are a bit are neutral comparatives to show contrast, but here in contrast and by contrast, on the contrary, these are to show stronger contrast. We can use only in contrast or by contrast between clauses. Allopathic doctors use high doses of drugs. Allopathic doctors, they are like doctors, allopathic one, they use high doses of drugs. In contrast, or on the other hand, or in contrast, homeopathic doctors use low or minimum doses of drugs. There are two opposite ideas, so we can compare them with in contrast, by contrast, on the other hand, however. Alternative place of in contrast. Allopathic doctors use high doses of drugs. Homeopathic doctors, in contrast, here in contrast, we use commas at the start and the end to separate in the sentence. Homeopathic doctors, in contrast, like however, the same rules like however. In contrast, use low or minimum doses of drugs. Allopathic doctors use high doses of drugs. By contrast, homeopathic doctors use low or minimum doses of drugs. Allopathic doctors use high doses of drugs. By contrast, homeopathic doctors use low or minimum doses of drugs. We can use in contrast with or in contrast to show difference or contrast between two noun phrases. In contrast to allopathic doctors, homeopathic doctors use lower doses of drugs. In contrast to. So after in contrast to, we will use noun. In contrast to allopathic doctors. In contrast with, we can also use with. In contrast with allopathic doctors, homeopathic doctors use lower doses of drugs. If we use this form of sentence structure, we need comma. We can also use by contrast with. We are using at the start of sentence, so we need to use comma to separate these two parts of sentence. Alternative sentence structure is homeopathic doctors use lower doses of drugs in contrast to or in contrast with allopathic doctors. So it is another form of sentence. We don't use comma in this structure. In this structure, when it is used in the center, we don't need to use comma. On the contrary, it is used to highlight the opposite idea or opinion to the one mentioned before. On the contrary, we usually use when original statement is not true and is mostly negative statement. This is not the drug that will relieve your symptoms. This is not the drug that will relieve your symptoms. On the contrary, it will deteriorate them. This is negative, so we can use on the contrary, this opposite and negative. The alternative sentence structure is this is not the drug that will relieve your symptoms. On the contrary, semicolon, then we start with small o. On the contrary, comma, it will deteriorate them. We can also use in comparison, by comparison, in comparison with, or in comparison to make comparisons or contrast. In comparison and by comparison are used to show contrast between two sentences or clauses. John is the tallest in the family. His younger brother Smith, in comparison, is the smallest one. In comparison, look at the commas that we use after and before. Another position is we can change position of in comparison. John is the tallest in the family. In comparison, his younger brother Smith. We are using or not at the start of sentence. This was at in the middle of second sentence. Now it's the start. In comparison, his younger brother. No, this is wrong. In comparison, comma, and then we will use small h. Here would be small h. In comparison, his younger brother Smith is the smallest one. And the other position is John is the tallest in the family, and his younger brother Smith is the smallest one in comparison. At the end, we are using in comparison at the end. Using at the end of second sentence, Dr. Che was very nervous while treating a critical patient. Dr. Smith was quite calm in comparison or by comparison. Here we don't use comma. So you can have a look at all of these structures, and you need to vary your language, to change your language, make different to use different kind of sentences to get more scores. In comparison to or in comparison with can be used with noun phrases. In comparison with his younger brother who is obese, he is quite smart. In comparison with, they're being used with noun phrase. His in comparison with his younger brother. Mix, we can make a comparison and draw a comparison. We can make a comparison or draw a comparison. It is difficult to draw a comparison between the two drugs. The word with comparison is make a comparison. We can use draw a comparison. It is difficult to draw a comparison between two things, between the two drugs. We can also use compare to or compare with. Children's consumption of milk rose by 40% and compared to only 9% for adults. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and look at description box, and press bell icon for more courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. Thank you very much.